December 11th, 2022. Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights. Art Series 54 is now completed. As the title is long. The first part is in memory of 7 of the more than 1,500,000 victims of American gun rights, terrorism, and genocide who have died from guns in the United States since 1968. Subtitle is GOP California Congressman Mike Garcia mocks the Holocaust. He mocks Capitol Hill Police in D.C. and he mocks all the American service personnel who gave their lives fighting the fascists and Nazis in Europe during World War II. He mocks the military. Facebook removes Holocaust history photos citing community standards. This drawing I did here is a composite from a photo of a Nazi soldier executing Jews, Chelm, 28 May 1942, and Warsaw Ghetto, May 43, of a Jewish woman about to be executed. Embracing California Congressman Mike Garcia, who mocks the Holocaust, Facebook removed a 1942 photo I had posted of a Nazi execution of partisans in Ukraine, claiming it violated their community standards. 44-year-old police officer died, shot to death in 2015 in Colorado Springs, Colorado. A 7-year-old girl shot to death by an 11-year-old neighbor with a 12-gauge shotgun in Ohio in 2015. A 20-year-old student lost her life in a terrorist attack on a campus classroom at Northern Illinois University, February 14, 2008. A 15-year-old student slain in a terrorist attack at Marjorie Stoneman High School, Parkland, Florida, February 14, 2018. Robert Robertson Jr., 17, was a senior at Cleveland High School in Seattle, was shot in March 2015. Casey Johnson Marquez was a senior at Aztec High School in New Mexico. She was shot on December 7, 2017. And another Parkland student, Marjorie Stoneman High School in Parkland, Florida, Nicholas Drouet, was 17, was a senior. And we have a lot of allegorical gun rights and terrorism sea monsters intermingled along with this catastrophic 6-limbed creature there. All right, there you have it.